Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. On this channel, I do protective hairstyle for kids and I do a lot of DIYs. So please consider subscribing so we can be family, okay? So guys, on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this coconut milk hair mask. Yes, this is so effective, guys. So that's what we'll be doing today. If you really want to see how I made this coconut hair mask, please keep watching, okay? This video is for you. So the first thing we have to do is to get half onion. Then I'll go ahead and cut the onion into smaller chunks so as to help my blender to blend it. Onion is very good for hair growth. Onion provides extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair and promote hair growth. So after adding the onion, the next thing to add here is banana. I'll go ahead and add banana to it because banana is also good for hair growth. Banana contains silica, a mineral that helps your body to synthesize collagen and make your hair stronger and thicker. Yes, that's why I added banana to this recipe. The next one here is avocado. We'll be adding avocado to it. Yes, avocado is also good for hair growth because avocado is a great source of biotin, which can help the hair to grow so healthy, smooth, and prevent it from breaking. Yeah, so after adding the avocado, we'll go ahead and blend it, guys. So after adding everything, we go ahead and blend it without adding any water. So I'm done blending it. The next thing to do here is I will move over to sieving it. Yeah, we have to sieve it. This stage is very important because this will help you to get rid of any particles that will stuck in your hair. Okay, it's necessary that you sieve it. So I will get my chiffon cloth, then I'll pour in the mixture into it. If you don't have chiffon cloth, you can use your sieve. You can use sieve or anything, or new hair cap. You can use it as well to sieve it. So now this is it. You go ahead and sieve it. So this is it after sieving it. This is what we have. Okay, so the next thing to do is get your coconut milk. If you want to use if you want to use fresh coconut milk, as in if you want to use your own homemade coconut milk, that means after extracting the milk, you have to put it in the fridge so that that part that contains fat will solidify a little before you can use it. Okay, that is if you will be using a homemade coconut milk. Okay, but here I'll be using the commercial one. All right, so I'll go ahead and scoop out the coconut milk and add it into the onion, banana, and the avocado mixture that I sieved out. Yes, I'll add it into it. Then after that, I'll proceed with the next ingredient we'll be adding to it. Guys, coconut milk is so good to the hair. It's so good to the hair. So after adding the coconut milk, the next thing to add is honey. I will add some drops of honey to it. Yes, then after adding some drops of honey, the next one here is egg. I will add 1 egg to it, guys. Then after adding 1 egg, the next thing to do now is get your hand mixer. If you don't have hand mixer, you can use your blender to blend it, okay? Use your hand mixer and mix everything so that they will mix very well. All right, coconut milk is so beneficial to the hair, guys. Coconut milk is really good for your hair growth because it contains high protein, lauric acid, and vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, and vitamin B6. Yes, it also helps to reduce hair loss, restores dry hair and the scalp, and gets rid of dandruff. In fact, there are a lot of hair benefits of coconut milk. So try adding coconut milk in your hair treatment, and guys, believe me, you will see great improvement, guys. Yes, so after mixing everything, I will go ahead and apply it on my daughter's hair. Oh guys, I can't even say it. My daughter's hair was really bad, but to the glory of God, I'm seeing a lot of improvement on her hair. So now I'll go ahead and apply her hair is already washed. Yes, I washed her hair before now, so I'll go ahead and apply the coconut milk mask. Make sure you wash your hair before you apply it, okay? So after applying the coconut milk mask, I'll go ahead and cover her hair with shower cap and allow it to sit for about 3 to 4 hours, depending on how long we can wait. Yes, so after 3 to 4 hours, you go ahead and wash it off with warm water, and that's it. Then you go ahead and apply any hair oil or hair cream. This is after 3 hours. We were able to leave it on for 3 hours. This is after washing it off. So now I'll go ahead and apply this onion oil that I made. This is DIY onion oil. If you want to see how I made it, please check the description box down below, okay? I'll leave the link there so you can just click and watch how I made this onion oil for maxi hair growth, guys. So I'll go ahead and apply it all around her hair. Then after it, I will comb her hair, and that's it, guys. Please, if you've watched to this point, kindly hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. Please, I am begging you guys, support our growth. Share this video, like this video, comment and subscribe if you haven't done so, okay? I will see you all in my next video. Bye.